Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today. Yes, weekend is over. And how was your weekend, by the way? Today, in on Monday. Yes, new month, February the 1st, 2021. On Monday, we have here the puzzle page with only one regular Sudoku, and that's a medium Sudoku, one regular medium Sudoku. But in additional with extra Sudokus, we have also Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, binary number 1 and a binary number 2. So total of 8 extra Sudokus. But first, we will solve this a medium Sudoku. Yes, this one. Let me focus the puzzle. All right, this one will be number 2255. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I've already counted. This one has 26. So if you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. All right, so let's get started. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 5 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing numbers an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. So we have a 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row above. Only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 8 in this row. 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row. Those numbers are the 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. And look, we have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers in this second column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in this big square, so no 4 and a 9 in this box. The 4 and the 9 goes in these 2 boxes. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 3. Yes, 3 is missing. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 6. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this second row for the numbers 7 and 6. 7 and no 6 we have here. 7 and the 2. 7 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 2 in this column. 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for a 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1, number 2. Alright. How about the number? Let me see. Yeah. 9 in this column, the third column. 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 5 and the 8. We see an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 5 goes and there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those boxes. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for a 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here. So this is going to be 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be a 1. So we have a 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Alright. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 4 should be here. And all the 4's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. Alright. How about yeah. we have here in this row 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 3 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. The 6 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about four, 9, 6, 8. Okay. We have an 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be 9 anymore. This should be the 9. And this should be the 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6. This should be a 3. Okay, 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 2 missing numbers in this column. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 8 and 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 8. 2 numbers left in the middle column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 6, 7 and the 6. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 1. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes for a 2 stars Sudoku. I like this Sudoku. I'm very pleased with the time. Do you like this? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other Sudokus in the additional. So see you later. Bye bye for now.